I recently purchased the Legacy Builders program, and in this program is a proven blueprint to help you learn the skills to make daily pay. Now it's easy to follow because it's beginner friendly, so they give you step-by-step guidance and helping you create the content needed to attract the customers that have an interest in what it is that you already have to offer. Now that I've joined the program, I've already made back my initial investment. And the good thing about this program is that they give you master resale rights to it. So anytime I sell any of the 4 income streams built into it, I make 100% profit. So there's no 20% or 30% commissions to deal with. So even if you join the program and you don't have an interest in selling the 4 products that's built in, they teach you how to create and develop your own products and build a community around that. And none of this requires any multi-level marketing, any cold calling, or any inventory or overhead to deal with. If this sounds like something of interest to you, type yes down in the comments, and I'd love to share this information with you.